What up, everybody? It is Crypto Moose, and the Moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do now is talk about how I pick tokens. So I want to get into one primary idea and one thing that you should think about before investing into a project. Not telling you to pick any of these projects, but this is one important thing that I do in particular. So before we get started, like, comment, subscribe. That's going to help us out. So, number one, I talk about this all the time, but you do have to research. You have to familiarize yourself with cryptocurrencies, know the underlying infrastructure of each project. And what's really important is, yes, you should keep up with the dates of important events. You should understand, what is Bitcoin, what is Cardano, learn about the top layer ones. But at the end of the day, you're investing into what is that thing doing? What is this crypto doing? How can it change and add value to the world? And who are the people involved? So the main two things here are, is this project going to provide utility, and who is behind it? Okay. So I recently just did a video. It's probably out by now. So check it out here on the channel. I haven't uploaded anything yet, but I just did a video on my top 10 projects. So if you want to know my top 10 projects, it's free. It's available. It's going to be the 2024 crypto checklist or my top 10 picks, titled something around that nature. So how do I pick tokens? Well, you guys need a pen and paper. Always. I talk about it. Guys, pen and paper. That's how I'm getting these ideas for episodes. I'll write down ideas. I'll either do it or not do it. So that's very important. So if we take a look here, we've got a notepad, a blank notepad. And what you're going to do is you're going to write down, let's say you only have 3 tokens that you know about. Let's say you know BTC, Bitcoin. Let's say you know about Ethereum a little bit. Let's say you know about the stablecoin USDC. Now what you're going to do is fill that in with 10, okay? 6, 7, 8. You can do this in real time. If you're going to be serious about this, do this in real time as well. I'm going to put some that I know. Ada, Kopi. We'll put Casper. We'll put, let's see. If you guys want, you can go to CoinMarketCap, do some research. XRP. You can do AVAX. All right, I want you guys to make 10. Make 10 at least. At least do this for yourself. Uniswap, Uni, Cosmos, Atom. And the goal is, let's say you want to have 2 projects that you like. These are, whenever you get $100 and you want to put towards crypto, this is where it's going. Okay, I'm going to help you. Even if you don't understand these 10 projects, I know it's going to be out of focus. I'm at like an F2.8 right now, so it's probably only focused here. I got 10 projects. What you're going to do is wipe out what you do not believe in anymore. The best way to understand what it is you want is to find out what you don't want. That's why people run into issues in life in general. You think you want one thing, then it turns out you don't really want that. So you have to know yourself first. Know the projects first, then you can make a decision. That's wise. That's practical, right? So you have to be willing to be a fool in order to be a hero after, in that regard, right? So go to CoinMarketCap, familiarize yourself. Some of you know nothing. Some of you know much more than I do. Some of you have less money, and some of you have a lot more money than me. I know there's a couple of you in the live streams. You're like, I got 180,000 ADA. It's like, sheesh. Like, give me one of your paychecks. So what I'm getting at here is we're going to identify 2 projects. Now, one that I like and that I'm hinting at in this particular video, and bear with me, first one I'm going to do is Kopi. So I'm going to circle number 5, and I'm going to add something else because there's another project that I like as of recent. So we'll do this. Maybe, you can do more than 10. I'm just giving you guys an idea. You know what? We'll leave it at that. We'll do ADA and Kopi, okay? So what I've done is I've taken 10 crypto projects and I've got ADA and Kopi. Now, I'm circling them based on the team. Do I trust the team? Some projects, if the team, they're not live streaming, if they're not active, if they're acting like Satoshi, it's a little sketch. I understand it for Bitcoin. The fact that it remained anonymous gave power to a decentralized cryptocurrency that's global. That makes sense to me. Now, with a gaming project, you are investing into the team. So if I go to my wallet right now, I've got 40, 50,000 Kopi tokens. I've got 100,000 Mel tokens because I believe in the team. The team is what I'm banking on. Comment down below if you agree. I also circled ADA. I believe in IOHK. I believe in their open source approach. I know what they've been doing. I've been following their team. Do you believe in the team? Yes or no? That is what you're investing into. When Warren Buffett invested in a Coca-Cola, he invested into, is this team going to elevate the brand? And all those things, right? So that's the number one thing. I know it seems simple, but take every crypto project. Maybe you have a portfolio of 5 or 6 tokens. Maybe you've got 40 tokens. Strip it down. Have 10 that you even know about. I know some of you aped into SNEC. SNEC is doing well in part because they have a good team, even though they're a meme coin. Dogecoin, I think the founder's pissed off because he didn't even make any money off of Doge because he didn't know that would happen. So think about Elon Musk, whether you like him or not. People are betting on Elon, not SpaceX, not on Twitter. Nobody cared about Twitter as much till he bought it. He overpaid for it anyways. But anyways, my point is that you're banking on the individuals that operate these businesses. So if you're not as smart as some of these people, it's fine. You can invest into their company in a way. So that's the way I approach it. Comment down below if you guys believe in that approach. This helps me out a lot. So even when I made that video on my top 10, I had 40 at one point. Like, I do this every year, every month really. This year I've had, even on my whiteboard, I've had 15 projects that I was bullish on. Now I only have like 12. So I'm eliminating what I don't want, what I don't believe in anymore. So adapt. Here's one of my wallets. NFTs I believe in, not believe in. Some of these I had for different reasons and whatnot. This is one of my wallets. So if you guys are bullish on Cardano, go to Cardano Cube. Research the project. For example, Dega, DEGA, they have their ISPO right now. Check out those videos. I highly recommend it. Big opportunity of the year. I've said that. Igon, I believe in the team. Right? I didn't understand that Carlos, the main guy, he was coming off from Ethereum, moving into this project. So with that being said, guys, check out the team. We also have a coupon code for you for online courses. We have a free Cardano mini course. Check that out as well. And if you want to pick up a hardware wallet, like I have, I've got tons of them. My favorite one, Trezor Model T. Check that out as well. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Do this work. Do this work. It's going to help you out. Cheers.